Hey, what's up YouTube? Guess what? We got the griller again. So tonight we got some Brazilian Espetos on the grill. That's what we're gonna do tonight. Some Brazilian Espeto. From the bacon. So you guys been following me for a while, you know my method. I like to put it on the side for a little bit and then put it hot and fast. I'm gonna rotate these and put these guys over here and this one over here and give it about just 5 minutes. It's been on the grill now about 10 minutes. Alright guys, it's been on the low side for a little while. So now we're gonna switch it up. We're gonna go hot and fast. I got some basting fluid, barbecue sauce, whatever you wanna call it. And we got this done. That's what it is. Beautiful eucalyptus charcoal. It's like specialty in Brazil, man. It's like everywhere. I'm doing the bacon side down first, and I'm gonna rotate it. All right, just do 5 at a time, whatever fits on the grill here. Yeah, there's like 4, so we're gonna do 4 at a time. And see what we got. That's homemade right there. There's no junk in that. There's no sugar at all. I try to switch it up a little bit. This is what it looks like right now. That. If you ever come to Brazil, you gotta go to that one spot down the block and get some Espeto. Check that out again. Sizzle. Sizzle. And that. When that flavor coming through, come on. Move around so it doesn't flame up on you. Now, if you guys been following me for a while, you know I don't do it the way you do it. You know what I mean? You Brazilians, you do it differently. I do it differently. It's all good. I use natural flavoring. I don't go for that color out stuff. That's my thing, you know. I know you go down to the store, you pick up that thing, you just sprinkle it on everything. It's all good. I love it, but I don't eat it. Not no more anyway. Be careful what you put in your mouth, alright? Alright, look, I'll be honest with you. I use the temperature gauge for everything. I use a thermometer. Don't get sick. And cook your food the way you like it. I'll pull these out at 185 and let it sit. Hopefully it gets up to 200 and kills everything. I think they say at 165 everything dies. So we should be good. Alright, cool. Still not ready. Taking its time. That's fine. That's what you want it to do. You want it to take its time. See, 165? Maybe you can eat. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to eat that 165. Chill. It's going up though. It's going up. Here you have it, folks. True Brazilian fashion. We're gonna leave the sticks on it. Alright, we got some broccoli, protein and fiber right there. So protein. To admit, this is one of the hardest, most difficult things to barbecue.
Oh, why?
That's my little one. Because you gotta cook, the bacon is raw and the chicken is raw. And for someone that likes their chicken and their pork, you know, cooked without any germs in it, it's very difficult to cook this thing without burning it. And cooking the inside. So good luck. Enjoy.